Okay, so tonight we're making cheat lasagna. This is DDK, Diva Dish Kitchen's recipes and recipe books. You will not believe how easy this is to make, and I'm going to show you how to do it. This recipe, again, is in my book, Book 1, Recipes by DDK. What you're looking at here is cooked lasagna noodles. Did one layer so far, okay? Then what you've got here is a combination of a couple of things. You've got some crumbled feta, some crumbled blue cheese, about 2 tablespoons of garlic herb cream cheese, some oregano, and some garlic powder, about a teaspoon of each of these. Then I added some half and half to give it some moisture, so that way I can drop in dollops in between the layers of this lasagna that we're going to be making tonight. Now, the sauce is a prep sauce. It's Bertolli jar sauce, 5 cheese. Good sauce, good flavor right out of the jar. This one has made with ricotta cheese and 100% olive oil, no sugars. As you can see by the back, this is really good sauce. No high fructose corn syrup. It has natural pure cane sugar in it for a little bit of sweetness with the tomatoes to even out the acidic. The sauce here, which is in pre-mixed already, I put sauteed onions, sauteed onions, bell peppers, and Vidalia onions, and roasted garlic in this one tonight, with red pepper flakes, extra garlic powder, extra oregano, and some extra onion powder, and some chopped slices actually, of big boy tomatoes. As you can see, looks delicious, doesn't it? Then I added about 2 tablespoons of Moscato. It's a very sweet wine. It's got bubbly sweet wine, but it's really good. And I like to add liquor to my sauces, my gravies, my pies, my meats, anything that needs an extra kick and an extra texture, an extra layer, and an extra twist. That's what I like to do. So I'm going to layer one layer and show you how quick this can go. So what it's going to do, it's going to take a couple of little dollops like that of this cheese mix that I just told you what it was. Okay, we're doing that. Okay, and then we're going to take this sauce here. I'm going to get a spoon from a ladle actually, from my utensil rack. So we're going to take a ladle full of sauce. So we're going to do that. We're going to put it in here like that. See how this is going? This is going really easy. It doesn't look hard and complicated, does it? Okay, now I've got some pre-grated Asiago cheese, the good stuff, okay? Now, I got this at Aldi's, this Asiago cheese. Very inexpensive and really, really good stuff. If you ever shop Aldi, you should. I shop about 5 stores for all my food most of the time. And I just like variety, and I like getting good prices and good quality, but not paying through the nose for it either, okay? So, we got one thin layer of that. Now we're going to go back to laying some more noodles, all right? Again, not complicated, guys, okay? Don't break a sweat. So we're going to do some more noodles. And we're going to finish off the rest of this. So I want you to try this at home, because I'm trying it in my kitchen tonight. It just felt like lasagna. So I decided, well, I feel like lasagna. I'm going to have some lasagna, right? So I decided, well, I had some extra noodles downstairs. And I've been telling myself I should do this. And I keep on forgetting. So tonight I said, I don't have anything out for dinner. That's terrible. I can't not have something different for dinner. I don't want any leftovers. I don't want a chicken sandwich. I don't want this. I don't want that. So this is what I did. So come back and see this when this is finished. I'm going to finish this up, and I'll do another short video when it's all done and finished and baked. I hope you love what you see. I hope you buy my books, because if you don't, you're going to be sorry. They are absolutely fabulous recipes. So easy to make for you and your family. So what's my dinner and DDK recipes? Buy them today. My digits are 612-859-3270. I look forward to speaking to all of you, all my foodie friends. Have a wonderful day. And by the way, I will ship them for an extra charge. And I am donating to your local food shelf as well. On every sale, I donate $1. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Take care. Ciao, babies.